Today, I want you to look at another problem-solving set of questions. It's in the White Rose Lesson 4 problem-solving for week 2, summer term week 2. So it's this thing here. What I just want you to do with this video is just talk you through the first couple of questions. There's a video here that you can watch where the people from White Rose explain things, but sometimes it's sort of helpful just to have somebody there definitely talking you through it. So let's look at this first question together. A rectangle is cut into two pieces. We've got piece A here and we've got piece B here. We know that that side of the rectangle is 6 centimeters long. We don't yet know what the length of the rectangle is, and that's what we have to find out. So the answer is going to be the length of the rectangle. But we got some clues. The area of B is 2/7 of the area of the whole rectangle. Fine. So if the area of B is 2/7 of the whole, what is the area of A going to be? The whole will be 7 out of 7. So the area of A is going to be 5 out of 7. Now we've got a second clue. The area of A is 36 centimeters squares greater than the area of B. So we need to kind of work out what 1/7 would be in terms of area, to then times that by 7, and then we can find the area of the rectangle. Well, we'll actually find the length of the rectangle, because we'll get the area divided by 6. So A is 5/7, B is 2/7. How much bigger in terms of sevenths, how much greater is A than B? 5 compared to 2, there's 3 difference. So that 36 centimeters squared is 3/7 greater. So we probably want to divide that by 3, and we'll find out what 1/7 is. And that should be enough to get you working through that first one quite comfortably, I would think. Have a little go. Question number 2 then, and if you want to do it now, pause the video, come back to this after you've worked it all out. Remember, you're looking for the length of the rectangle. So question 2. It looks very similar, but it's a different set of sort of dimensions. We've got A and B again. The area of B is 40% of the area of the rectangle. So if B is 40%, what must A be? 100% is the whole. So 100 take away 40, A is going to be 60%. So cool. So we know that A is 60, B is 40. Or it could be 6/10, 4/10, whatever you like. Next, A is cut in half to make shapes C and D. So we chop A in half. The area of B is 8 centimeters squares greater than the area of C and D. Okay, so A is cut in half. So each of those, that was 60%, wasn't it? So those 30% halves, B is 8 centimeters greater than them. Fine. So B, 40%, is 8 centimeters greater than a shape that's 30%. That's a 10% gap. Now we should be able to work out 10% gap is 8 centimeters squared, what the area of the whole rectangle is. Have a little go at that. There's a couple of taxi questions. Do you know what? I'm most bothered about you solving questions 1 and 2. If you're really enjoying the problems, go on to 3 and 4. As ever, the answers are on the page as well for you to have a look through and kind of talk through with someone else in the house if someone's available, and work out where you've gone wrong if you did.